Hey everyone, welcome back to Workshop Quick Takes. Today's exercise involves liftgate struts on a 2000 Jeep Cherokee. Now I think they're bad. How do I know that? Well, when I open it up and let go, it does that. Today we're going to be looking at replacing these. These are a great example that applies to mini vehicles because they have the spring clip style connection down here over a ball joint, and they have two bolts that have to be removed up here from a bracket. Some vehicles use two of this, others rely on this design. But whatever the case, what you see here will be applicable to mini vehicles. First thing to be aware of is you're either going to have to be able to support this liftgate, which I can. This vehicle, it's not too heavy. But other vehicles, it can be rather heavy, and then you may need to consider some sort of post or standoff. Here I'm just using a standard 10mm socket because that's what this bolt head is, and I have an extension on it to get better clearance. There you go. You can get your replacement wherever you like. Better quality ones will usually last longer in the application. In this case, I chose Napa Auto Parts. Putting that on, making sure the C-clip presses firmly back into place, and it does. So now I have my lower mounting point, and I will have to compress it slightly to get these two screws into play and get this started. There's the difference already. Just with one screw set, it's able to hold it up on its own. Okay, one down, one to go. Only takes about 5 minutes aside though once you get familiar with how the parts are put together. Okay, now that that's popped loose, we're not quite able to support the liftgate with a single strut anymore, so I got to be more careful and hold on to this nice and tight. Again, just release the clamp and pop free. New unit, same procedure. And that's all there is to it. You just got to be mindful of the safety issues of having the tailgate drop on you. In this case, this is a fairly lightweight tailgate compared to some newer, larger vehicles, so I was able to hold it up myself. But if necessary, just get a good stick, wedge it in nicely. Use a floor stick mount, like a broomstick on a floor jack, whatever works. But now, we can still close the liftgate, but when we open it, it's quite ready to pop back up. And there we go. About 5 to 10 minutes per side, easy to do at home, solves the problem. Has anyone seen my phone?